Hi, I'm Jarvis with RVMP. Today we're going to discuss how to operate your flex-powered generator in a motorized RV when it's not moving. This is an important topic because stationary operation with the RV motor running can create unique cooling challenges. Let's dive in. When your RV is in motion, air movement helps remove hot air from the RV motor and exhaust system. However, if the RV remains stationary while the RV motor and generator are running, hot air can get trapped under the RV. This situation can occur for a few minutes in special cases. If the RV motor continues to run while the RV is stationary, you can open the generator compartment door to allow additional cooling air into the generator compartment. This helps to cool the generator. Always close the compartment door before moving the RV in any fashion. Never remove the service door of the generator itself during overheating, as this will only worsen the situation. Sometimes events like gust of wind or generator overload can cause the generator to overheat and shut down. This is designed to protect the generator and usually no damage will occur. However, trying to restart the generator immediately may not work. It may need time to reset or cool adequately before restarting. Generally, it's not recommended to run both the RV motor and the generator while the RV is stationary for long periods. The hot air from the RV motor and exhaust will be drawn into the generator compartment, causing potential overheating. If you must run both the RV motor and generator while stationary, ensure there's adequate wind to remove hot air from beneath the RV. Alternatively, open the generator compartment door for additional cooling. By following these steps, you can safely operate your flex-powered generator in a stationary motorized RV. Thanks for watching and stay safe while working on your equipment. I'm Jarvis with RVMP. Happy camping!